If you want to move money in or out of Venmo, adding a bank account is a must and it only takes a minute to set up. Start by opening the Venmo app and logging into your account. Now tap on the Me tab in the bottom right. That's your personal profile. Next, hit the gear icon in the top right corner to go to settings. Scroll down and tap on payment methods. This is where you can manage your linked accounts. Now tap on add a bank or a card, then choose bank. You'll be given two options to add your bank: instant verification using your online banking login, or manual verification by entering your account and routing numbers. The instant method is quicker. Just sign in with your bank credentials through the secure Plaid integration. If you go with manual Venmo will send you to a small deposits to your account. You'll need to check your bank in 1 to 3 days. Then come back and verify the amounts to complete setup. Once your bank is linked, you can transfer money in and out, send payments, or cash out your balance whenever you want. Linking your bank also helps avoid fees when sending money, especially compared to using a credit card. And that's it. Your bank account is now connected to a Venmo. One more tutorial that just get to the point. Like, follow, and share for more simple guides that actually help.